Hello, dear students. Greetings to all. In yesterday's video, we have seen and discussed about writing instructions, right? Hope all of you can remember that. With that remembrance and follow up, let's look after recommendations today, right? Recommendations is the topic we are going to see today. Recommendations means it's a suggestion you're going to complete a process. That process may be your self activity like interview or a, a camp in your college like NSS or YRC or some other blood donation camps like that, or a function to be conducted in your college or institution, right? So that's the format we used to follow. The format is suggestions format. Suggestions will be given in the form of a pleasing sentences, right? So but I hope you can remember that the instructions are not a pleasing sentences, those are order sentence or command sentence, right? This is a thing we discussed yesterday for instructions, right? So today we are going to see recommendations. Here, this is the title. This question also having 16 mark in its nature by the semester, by the university giving you. It has 16 mark in its nature, and this can be asked by the option of or choices for checklist, or it can be coming as A and B, both recommendations kind, so that you can surely get a 16 mark default without wasting much time. Writing 8 sentences, you are getting that mark. In this question also, there is a prescribed format in there is a prescribed format in this question also, like instructions. Instructions was started by action verb, right? For instructions, action verb. For recommendation, there is something, it's a suggestion form, and in the format of model auxiliary plus V3, which means past participle. Alright, so this is the format you are going to see in recommendations. Don't get confused. You are going to give order in instructions, that is with that will be started with action verb. Recommendations will be a suggestion pleasing form, so that you are going to give in attached with model auxiliary. What are the model auxiliary? You can remember. I hope you can remember. Can, shall, may, might, will, would, must, might, etc. Alright. So along with that, V3 will be there. What are the V3s? In this example also you can see removed, prohibited, given, conducted, right? See, these are the modal auxiliary verb plus should be is here, no? Should be and should not be, should not be. These are the modal auxiliaries you follow. These modal auxiliary plus V3 is the default format for writing recommendations. All right. So in this form, you are going to give the object first. When you're writing the instructions, action verb will be first, the object will be at the end. That object should be given in the first place. Object plus modal auxiliary plus V3. This is the actual form. Okay. So now let's see the example here. Recommendations to preserve our water resources. To preserve water resources, what can be the recommendations? All right. So encroachments near the water resources should be removed. Encroachments means buildings near water resources like lake, pond, river, channel, etc. Right. So these encroachments should be removed. All the 8 points should touch different areas. Constructions near on the water resources should be banned. Removal is the thing which is already constructed should be removed. Should be banned means in future these kind of encroachments should not be happened. Okay, should not be built. That's the point. Like that, all these 8 points will give you different areas. Desalating must be done periodically. Monitoring. Okay. Sand mining should be prohibited. Sand mining, you can understand what is it. In the riverside there are so much of sand, the theft of sand, the river sand, which is very much needed for the construction. They will steal it. Actually, it's a gift of nature to be given for the livelihood. Okay, so that has to be prohibited. Prohibited is the V3, should be is your modal auxiliary. Okay, right. Like that, areas have been touched. With this example, you please have a look on this. Just write examples, practice with that, how to form this format first. Then you try to go with the different areas to be touched. No, this can be practiced later. Like that, writing this recommendation in a 8 sentence, you'll get 16 mark totally, which is very much lumpful. Okay, don't lose it. Attempt these questions without any hesitation as first. You'll get full marks. Good luck for you. Okay, thank you dear students. We'll meet in the next class.